Welcome to my project Bazaar. We go to demo of system. The project title is malware propagation in large scale networks. Next, go to explain about the abstract of this project. So the malware is pervasive in networks and poses a critical threat to network security. However, we have a very limited understanding of malware behavior in networks to date. In this paper, we investigate how malware propagates in network from global perspective. We formulate the problem and establish a rigorous two-layer epidemic model for malware propagation from network to network. Based on proposed model of analysis indicates that the distributions of a given malware follows exponential distributions, power law distributions with a short exponential tail, and power law distributions initially. So late and final stages respectively. So extensive experiments have been performed through two real world global scale malware datasets. So on the results confirm our theoretical findings. Next, go to explain about the flow of this project. So the flow of this project is first the server with monitoring the network dataset, and then monitoring the network, which requests has come from sources, different sources to network layer in base station. So the server monitoring analyze the data in different networks. The network records malware detections in large scale network. Then the applications layer also enter to the network and data sets, network records, and find the attack detection in network layer. So finally it's forwarded to with service request. So detecting large scale networks from the large scale networks in our process. So finally size of request all service in error rate. Finally the error rate will be find out in this process. This is the home page of our process. The project title is malware propagation in large scale network. We click this icon, have an image. The second frame will open. Here the node creations, node formation. We enter the nodes, number of nodes. So node will be created in this format. Second one is source node to destination. The malware propagation find out the source to destinations. So node 4 to 32. This information will be stored in data. Nodes can be inserted. So show the data. All the details will be shown here. So total node and the source node, destination node, and intermediate node also generated here. Next, click this icon. The node helper will be created here. This is a user interface, so we need to give those details from users. This node will be inserted in database. So the random working values will be displayed here. Next, click this icon. This is the intermediate nodes. Evaluate the intermediate nodes. So the intermediate nodes are successfully evaluated here. Inserted into DB database. In this informations we need to store in database. So click this insert into DB button. The node will be inserted. So the retrieve nodes also display here. These are the retrieval nodes from the database. Our creating a node formation, network formation. In this nodes are the retrieve nodes. Click this button. Get source node, gets a destination node, and helper node also. Bluetooth or MMS. This is path. Select approach means MMS or Bluetooth. So this information is stored into data storage. Click this select file. So we need to click the files in this WAMP. Find points also will open. This icon. In this process we apply greedy algorithms for signature. Create the signature. So contact traces to detail nodes means source node node 4, destination node node 32, the helper node set second, approaching Bluetooth. So intermediate nodes are these are the intermediate nodes. The signature file is created, file signature also created. Create dummy signature. This is a dummy signature. Then apply. We apply the signature also. So in this way we have to securely transmit our data into large network. Thank you for watching.